Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the Aussie dollar, I mean, it has been very strong to the downside. I'm definitely still not ruling out the possibility that this is just like a bear trap and it really does end up going up and making this wave Y, like we've been expecting the whole time. But, I mean, as of right now, I definitely will admit that it looks like impulsive down, three waves up, and it likely will lead to another impulsive down. So either way, let's head down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, I mean, unfortunately, the trend is still up. I mean, I guess it's not really unfortunate, but there's no break or structure to the downside. The trend is up on the monthly and the weekly. There's really no reason to say that this possibly couldn't break structure to the upside and just keep on trending up. I would expect the next move up to be a correction to this move down, but if this really is a bear trap, then it could end up being some sort of like either like a running flat right here, like ABC running flat, and then just keep on trending up. Either way, like I always say, we take it one step at a time, so that way we won't really matter what it does. Going down to the daily time frame, this is where you can start to see the structure of this move down. We definitely do have five waves. I would definitely think this move down would be either an A or 1. I would expect at some point for this to make a move up, which the move up would be a correction to the move down, either a wave B or a wave 2. But sometimes what we think is a wave B or 2 will actually end up just continuing the uptrend. Luckily, once we get that break of structure, we'll be looking for longs, so if it does just keep on trending up, then that's no problem for me. Let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, and this is where you can really see the lower lows, lower highs. Now, this structure level right here is still the structure level that's going to prove that this move down is over. Because until this actually breaks, this move up right here easily could still be a correction to this last five waves down, and it easily could just keep on trending down. So the trend is not over until the market tells us the trend is over. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down right here. And like I said, this could go up, possibly, and just break structure to the upside like that. But it also could be another ABC correction, and since it has not broken structure on the higher time frames, on our roadmap time frames, I'm not ruling out the possibility that this bounces from a Fibonacci level, goes down, breaks structure, proving that it is an ABC, and then just continuing the downtrend from there. So, for me personally, because I don't trade below the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely either waiting for a break of structure to the upside to start looking for logs, or I'm waiting for three waves up and Fibonacci bounces to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. But I'm definitely more of a swing trader, so if you are a scalper, you ever since we got this break of structure, you probably could be looking for logs below the 1 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.